In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Surfshark account quickly and efficiently. Whether you're moving on to a different service or just cleaning up your digital accounts, the process is straightforward and clear. But it's always nice to have someone guide you through, which is exactly what we're going to do. First, let's navigate to the official Surfshark website. You can do this by opening up your preferred internet browser and typing in surfshark.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you're going to want to look for the My Account section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Give that a click and let's move on. After you've clicked on My Account, you're going to need to log in using your Surfshark account credentials. Input your email and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. You can easily reset it by following the Forgot Password link on the login page. Once you are logged in, you'll be redirected to the Surfshark dashboard, also known as Surfshark Home. Here, you'll find a variety of options and settings related to your account. But for our purpose today, you'll want to look for the Help Center. You can usually find this option in the navigation panel or at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click on the Help Center. Now that you've reached the Help Center, it's time to initiate a live chat. This feature allows you to communicate directly with a Surfshark representative. In the chat interface, start by introducing your inquiry. A simple message like, "Hi, I would like to delete my account and all related data," will get the conversation started. During the chat, the customer service representative might ask for some additional information to verify your identity and ensure compliance with security protocols. This might include confirming certain account details or verifying your identity through an email confirmation. Remember, this is a standard procedure to protect your privacy and account security. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll need to explicitly ask them to delete your account and all associated data. The support team at Surfshark should then guide you through the final steps and ultimately confirm that your account is deleted. It might take a little while for this process to be fully completed, so don't worry if the changes aren't instant. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your Surfshark account. Remember to check your email for any final confirmation or follow-up from Surfshark to ensure everything is squared away. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it made your digital housekeeping just a bit easier. Thanks for watching. And if you have any more questions or need additional help, feel free to check back anytime.